As an FP&A professional, you know that understanding the business is the key to providing valuable insights that drive strategic decisions. The business model canvas is a powerful tool that can help you understand any business in the shortest possible time. And now with ChatGPT, it becomes even faster and effortless. You know that without a clear framework, it is easy to miss critical details and spend too much time on things that are not important. That's where the business model comes in handy. The business model canvas is a visual tool that breaks down any business into nine key components, from customer segments to revenue streams. It helps you grasp the big picture, understand the dependencies, and communicate insights effectively, and all of this in the shortest possible time. If you would like to dive deeper into the nine parts of the business model canvas, I have created a separate video that explains each of these components in detail. You can find the link to it in the description below. First, let's talk about what I used to do if I had to create a business model canvas a few years back without ChatGPT. It required brainstorming sessions, detailed research, and manual organization of ideas. I used to start by breaking down the business into its nine components, like the customer segments, value propositions, revenue stream, etc. This process was time consuming and tedious. I must have spent hours brainstorming ideas, documenting them, and ensuring that nothing is overlooked. It was easy to get stuck, lose focus, or miss important points when working through each of the nine sections manually. But thankfully, today, there is a way to streamline the entire process, reduce the time spent, and ensure that nothing is missed. This is where ChatGPT comes in. It simplifies and accelerates the entire process of business model canvas creation, letting you focus on the important things like strategy instead of creation of the model canvas. What we'll do now is we'll try to create a business model canvas of some of the popular companies using ChatGPT. So let me just try creating this business model canvas for a company like Apple. And I'm just typing a prompt in ChatGPT saying that, okay, and it starts giving me the different components of the business model canvas. So it started with key partners, then key activities, key resources, value proposition, customer relationships, channels, customer segments, cost structure, and revenue streams. So if you notice, it is giving me the different components of the business model canvas along with the detailed contents of it, which seems to be very accurate and seems to be impressive. Let me now ask ChatGPT if it can convert this into a business model canvas structure. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. It is running some codes in the background in Python. Okay, if you notice, it has come up with a visualization that looks very close to the business model canvas. Let me just open that up. Okay, although in the previous video it did a decent job of coming up with the business model canvas, however, it was not in the exact format as we had expected. So, what I'll do is I will give it a blank format, which I will also share in the resources section, and tell ChatGPT if it can fit the text it had generated in that format. Okay, so let me try that. I have now given ChatGPT, I am now attaching in ChatGPT a business model canvas. Could you please use this format and create a one. Okay, and it says that I will fill out the provided business model canvas for Apple and return it in the same format. Please hold on while I create the document. Okay, and now it is running some codes in Python in the background. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so now it is giving me a output document, which I will also share in the resources section. But let me see what it has come up with. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights like this. And don't forget to check out our course on ChatGPT for finance and FP&A. Links are in the description and comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.